Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 6 best female concealed carry holsters. After hours of researching, we have selected the 6 best female concealed carry holsters and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Thetford Porta Potty Curve. If you prefer a portable camping toilet that's more than just a bucket and a bag, the Thetford Porta Potty Curve should be your top choice. It's the luggable, loose, pretty, and sophisticated cousin with its sleek design and practical features. It has a comfortable seat and seat height so you can almost forget you're not at home on your regular toilet. The 5.5-gallon waste tank is larger than most, so you won't have to make as many trips to the bathhouse or dump station. Just keep in mind, it will get a little heavy as it gets full. Although this portable toilet has a battery-powered electric pump to help clean out the bowl, if you don't use it, you'll be able to conserve fresh water and go longer between emptying the holding tank. If you're van living or using this in a small RV, you'll appreciate how the tight seal creates a leak-proof and odorless design that keeps bad smells where they should be. Plus, it even comes with a mounting kit so it'll stay secure while you're on the road. Believe me, you don't want to have full porta potty rolling around your camper. Number 2. Stansport Portable Camp Toilet. If you desire a basic portable toilet that is more than simply a bucket with a lid, the Stansport Portable Camp Toilet is your best option. It has a somewhat larger and more comfortable toilet seat than the majority of bucket toilets, as well as a greater weight capacity. Most standard bucket toilets have a weight capacity of between 200 and 250 pounds. If you weigh more, the seats may feel a bit flimsy. However, the seat of this portable camping toilet feels more like a conventional toilet seat. In addition, it has characteristics not seen on a typical bucket. It has side handles that make it easy to transport and a storage compartment for storing unused trash bags and toilet paper. However, if you're searching for a camping portable toilet that only needs to be emptied every few days, this product is not for you. The garbage bucket is not particularly large and will likely only accommodate 2 or 3 usage. However, if you already empty your bucket toilet after each use, this will not be an issue for you. Stansport also offers matching toiletry bags and a privacy shelter for this model. Number 3. PLAYBERG Portable Travel Toilet for Camping and Hiking. At long last, a portable bucket toilet that features a toilet seat of a standard size. This one is a pretty excellent example of how simplicity and coziness can work well together. It includes a 2-piece toilet seat and cover, just like the portable toilet that came before, and it also has a waste bucket that can be removed from the unit. Even if the waste bucket is slightly bigger than the Stansport, you shouldn't assume that you won't have to empty it for numerous days in a row at some point. Number 4. Camco Premium Portable Travel Toilet. At the time of this writing, this Camco portable toilet is an excellent option, coming in at a price that is only slightly more than that of some of the bucket toilets. Both the waste tank that is available in 2 different sizes and a freshwater tank that may be used for flushing are included in this unit. This premium Camco portable toilet may not have some of the bells and whistles that are included with the Thetford Curve, such as an electric flush pump or a built-in toilet paper holder, but it does offer a comfortable seat and 3 different ways to manually flush the toilet. The flush motion of the pump basically rinses the bowl in 3 separate ways, so assisting in the bowl's ability to remain clean. In addition, the easy dumping elbow makes it possible for you to dispose of waste without making a mess. Number 5. SereneLife Portable Toilet. The SereneLife Portable Toilet is a durable camping toilet with no extra features. It has a 2-part structure similar to the preceding 2 portable toilets. The top features a seat, a fresh water tank, and an effective pump flush mechanism. The holding tank with a waste valve that seals will keep everything where they belong. Then, when it is time to empty the trash can, simply undo the clips, transport it to the nearest toilet or dump station, open the orange pour spout, and pour the contents out. Number 6. Nature's Head Self-Contained Composting Toilet. The concept of portable composting toilets is excellent. Separate liquids and solids make fertilizer from Mother Nature, reduce plastic and chemical use, empty solids only once every few weeks, etc. And when they function as intended, composting toilets are a more handy and environmentally beneficial portable toilet choice. The Nature's Head Composting Portable Toilet is an excellent option. Even though this toilet is relatively portable, it is durable enough to withstand extended periods of frequent use. Thus, the Nature's Head is an excellent addition to your camper van, off-grid lodge, or DIY camper. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.